So I'ma throw a little shade. It's cool, we friends and nothing more. I guess that I must be a bore if you don't make the time. Oh well, you don't get to be mine, but you still fly in every way. My heart does kick for when you say let's meet up soon, even though you're gonna flop, I know. But oh, it's fine, I'll play pretend that I'm all good and over it. But I want you all to myself. Call it SOS, I need some help. Friday, I'll see you Friday. Maybe I'll see you Friday. Friday, I'll see you Friday. So maybe I'll see you Friday. I get so emo when you say I'm busy, sorry not today. Are you out here with someone else? I'm making a fool out of myself, but baby, you get me so wild. I don't get why I'm like a child who isn't getting what she wants. It's like I'm throwing a tantrum. And when's it gonna be my turn to take some pics and make some love? I don't think that I asked for much, man, I be begging at this point. I'm here with so much left to lose, but for now you're the one I choose. This shit be so ridiculous. You a Leo but you're more like a Cancer. Friday, I'll see you Friday. Maybe I'll see you Friday. Friday, I'll see you Friday. So maybe I'll see you Friday. Sorry if this is out of the blue. I don't know why I feel this for you. So many things I'm dying to say. Baby, you got me feeling away. Roses and bouquets, come take the worst me. Comes with the best me, I know I'm feisty, emotional, causing a panic, bringing you stress. I didn't mean it, but why you flop on me like a Canada spring? I only want some love, baby, I got it right. You said Friday, so I'll see you Friday.